December 2nd, 2020, Fluency. Select all expressions that are equal to the product of 15 and 2/10 and 34 hundredths. I know that word product means multiply. I'm going to highlight that yellow. I know that means multiply. So let's see when we multiply 15. Do we need to line up our decimals when we're multiplying? No. So 15 and 2/10 times 34 hundredths. So 0.34. All right, now I am going to multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to carry that 2, drop that 0. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Now, I'm done with that 2. I can either delete it or you can cross it off. So I just deleted it, so we know we're done with that. Now we are moving over a place value. I'm going to make sure these are to the front. We are moving over a place value, so I am going to cross off that 4 and put a placeholder of 0. Now, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 5. And 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Now, what do I do with these numbers? Add them up, add them up. All right, so 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 6 is 0. 6 plus 5 is going to be 11. I'm going to carry that 1 and drop that 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Is that my answer? No. All right, so we need to figure out the decimal. Woohoo! All right, so in our problem, we went in 1, in 2, in 3. So in our answer, guess how many we're going in? In 3. Whoop, there we go. No. There we go. All right, in 1, in 2, in 3. All right, so our decimal is going to go in between that 5 and that 1. So our answer is going to be 5 and 168 thousandths. I'm going to move this up to here so I know this is the number that we are going for to see if anything makes sense or equals it. All right, so let's take a look. The product of 50 and 9/10 and 8/10. All right, so I'm actually just going to kind of edit this problem. All right, so 50, what is it? 50 and 9/10. I'm gonna move 9 up here. Times 8/10. So it's gonna be that decimal and then 8. All right, now I'm gonna delete all that. Perfect. Okay, so 9. Well, 8 times 9 or 9 times 8 is 72. I'm gonna carry that 7, drop that 2. 8 times 0 is 0. Plus 7 is 7. 8 times 5 is 40. Is 40 our answer? No. Remember, also, we have to put our decimal in. So it goes in 1 and in 2. So in our answer, it's going to go in 2. In 1, in 2. So our answer is 40 and 72 hundredths. Is that equal to 5 and 168 thousandths? Nope, so it's not A. So I'm going to put that in red. Wah, wah, wah. All right, let's take a look at, we got another product one. 12 and 12 and 92 hundredths. So let's do the product one while we're multiplying. And 4. Ooh. All right, 12 and 92 hundredths and 4, just 4. All right, so 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 9 is going to be, or 9 times 4 is going to be 36. I'm going to carry that 3, drop that 6. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry that 1, drop that 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. All right, now our decimal. We are going to move it in how many places? Oh, I'm so sorry. I believe there should be a decimal here in front of that 4 there. My bad, it should be in front there. All right, so this decimal, well, we go in 1, 2, woo, maybe not. In 1, in 2, no. Let's see. In 1, okay. In 2, in 3. There we go. So we're going to move in 3 in our final answer. 1, 2, and 3. Ah! Why won't it stay? 1, 2, 3. That one stays, of course. So is that 5 and 168 thousandths equal to 5 and 168 thousandths? Yep, so that one's a go. But this says select all, so we need to select all of the ones that are equal. So we have to figure out B and C as well. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and let's add, since it's probably the easier one of the two. So sum, meaning add. And when we're adding or subtracting decimals, remember, line them up. All right, so we have 60 and 8.32 or 8. Oh, wait, I'm so sorry. Whoa. We do not have 60. We're going to add first. So 12.5 or 12 and 5 tenths. 12 and 5 tenths. Plus 11 and 2 tenths. Line up your decimals, make sure. 11 and, we're out of ones. And 2 tenths. And 26 and 88 hundredths. All right, so when we add all these, we can put placeholder of zeros here and here. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8, 9, 10 plus 5 is 15. I need to make a few more ones. All right, let's copy paste. I can make a song. Whoop. All right. Now, 8, 9, 10, 15. Sorry, lost count there. All right, carry that 1, drop that 5. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Carry that 1, drop that 0. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 50 and 58 hundredths. That's not equal. All right, so last but not least, let's check the last one. So we have a difference, meaning we're going to subtract. So we are going to subtract. All right, so when we subtract, do we have to line up our decimals? Yes, we do. All right, so I'm going to put that 8 and 32 on the bottom here because the bigger number is going to go on the top. 32 hundredths. All right, so 60. How can I turn 60 into a decimal? Well, if I'm paying you $60, no, I'm not paying you $60, but if I was to pay you $60, or if you work and get $60, 60.00. So you can put those placeholders there. All right, 0 minus 2, you cannot do. That rhymes. So we got to borrow. Whoop, we got to borrow. Whoop, we got to borrow all the way from the 6. 6 becomes a 5 to then make this 0 a 10. Now we can borrow from that 10 to make it a 9 to make this 0 a 10. Now we can borrow from this 10 to make it a 9 to make this 0 a 10. So now we have, finally, we have 10 minus 2. Well, 10 minus 2 is going to be 8. So I'm going to put that 8 there. 9 minus 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. I'm going to drop that 6. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. And then 9 minus 8 is 1. And 5 minus 0 is 5. All right, so 51 and 6800ths. The decimal's in the wrong spot. So in this case, our only answer is, drumroll please, D. And that is it for fluency. Great job.